Who is this?
This is a doctor. A doctor helps sick people and gives them medicine to feel better.
Who is this?
This is a teacher. A teacher teaches students in a classroom and helps them learn new things.
Who is this?
This is a nurse. A nurse takes care of patients in the hospital with kindness and patience.
Who is this?
This is a police officer. A police officer keeps people safe and controls traffic on the road.
Who is this?
This is a farmer. A farmer grows rice and vegetables in the field for people to eat.
Who is this?
This is a driver. A driver drives a bus or car and takes people to their places safely.
Who is this?
This is a shopkeeper. A shopkeeper sells food and daily items to customers in a shop.
Who is this?
This is a carpenter. A carpenter makes tables and chairs using wood and tools.
Who is this?
This is a plumber. A plumber fixes broken water pipes in houses and buildings.
Who is this?
This is an electrician. An electrician repairs wires and fixes electrical problems in homes.
Who is this?
This is a tailor. A tailor stitches clothes and makes them fit well for people.
Who is this?
This is a chef. A chef cooks delicious food in a restaurant or hotel.
Who is this?
This is a waiter. A waiter serves food and drinks to customers in a restaurant.
Who is this?
This is a cleaner. A cleaner cleans rooms and keeps places neat and tidy.
Who is this?
This is a security guard. A security guard protects buildings and watches the area carefully.
Who is this?
This is a mechanic. A mechanic repairs cars and motorbikes when they are broken.
Who is this?
This is a painter. A painter paints houses and walls to make them look beautiful.
Who is this?
This is a delivery person. A delivery person brings packages and food to people's homes.
Who is this?
This is a receptionist. A receptionist welcomes visitors and answers phone calls in an office.
Who is this?
This is a barber. A barber cuts hair and makes people look neat and clean.
Who is this?
This is a hairdresser. A hairdresser styles hair and helps customers look attractive.
Who is this?
This is a photographer. A photographer takes pictures at events and special moments.
Who is this?
This is a computer operator. A computer operator works on a computer and manages data.
Who is this?
This is a cashier. A cashier takes money and gives bills to customers in a shop.
Who is this?
This is a librarian. A librarian keeps books in order and helps people find books to read.
Who is this?
This is a firefighter. A firefighter puts out fires and saves people from dangerous situations.
Who is this?
This is a pilot. A pilot flies an airplane and takes passengers safely to other countries.
Who is this?
This is a dentist. A dentist checks teeth and helps people keep their smile healthy.
Who is this?
This is a postman. A postman delivers letters and parcels to people's homes every day.
Who is this?
This is a gardener. A gardener grows flowers and plants and keeps gardens clean and beautiful. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed learning with English-Minded, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notifications. Keep practicing every day, stay confident, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Until then, keep your mind English-minded.